Throughout the course, we've already seen a lot of examples of higher order functions. When we talked about the callback pattern, as I said, those are all higher order functions. We've just looked at a few other examples in the last few topics. So I think it's time now to give an exercise where I have you create a higher order function. I think once you create one on your own, it helps cement the power of that whole idea, which I think is important to cement. It's something to remember about JavaScript that lends to JavaScript one of the features that makes it so powerful. So here's what I'd like you to do. I have a variable declared here, greeting, and then I'm calling a function. And notice I'm passing in 3 parameters. One is a greeting, because this function is create greeting. It's going to create a greeting for us. Another is a name. And then the third is a function. So what I'd like you to do is to build the create greeting function and have it take 3 parameters. If only 2 parameters are provided, it simply returns a greeting. Okay? But if a third parameter is provided, which is the function, then before it returns that greeting by putting the term and the name together, it should have that function act on that greeting. So it should first put these 2 pieces together and then check to see if the function exists and have it act on it. And so create greeting is going to be a higher order function. It's going to give us a little more flexibility. Not only are we able to pass data in and have it return a compiled greeting, we're also going to be able to pass in a function that will have us do different things with that greeting. Now this is a simple example, but it shows the pattern of a higher order function, or the pattern of using a callback to make the function you create more flexible, to give it additional functionality so that you're not repeating yourself. All right, go ahead and give that a try, and then when you're ready, go to the next topic and we'll go through it together.